So I realized the other day that I spend an unhealthy amount of time at my desk, and what's even worse is my desk is an absolute disaster. I mean, just look at this. There's stuff everywhere, and clearly there's no organization. Plus, this is a standing desk, and when I try to raise it up so I'm not sitting all day, this happens. Yeah, so I can't raise my desk up because my PC is on the floor and the cables that are attached to it are way too short. So that's a little bit annoying, but today I'm gonna fix all that with the help of my 3D printer and then also the help of Lizette from FlexiSpot for sponsoring this video and sending me a desk I can use as a great starting point, the E7 Plus. What's great about this desk, and one of the main reasons I had FlexiSpot send it to me, is the size. Now I can do something about my PC. Okay, now time for the monitors. Awesome. Now I can't forget about the microphone. Oh, and the keyboard and mouse. Actually, I've had this for way too long. It's time for something new, but the mouse can stay. Much better. Now let's see how the desk handles the weight. Okay, it seems pretty sturdy and nothing's falling apart yet, but what am I going to do with all the stuff on my other desk? Oh yeah. It's not perfect, but it's much better than what I had before, but now I need a spot for my headphones, so I'm thinking I'm going to put them right over here. This should work right here. It's a bit custom though, so I'm going to have to design something myself. So So my desk is coming together, but I just realized that the walls around my office are super plain and boring, and I've been wanting to get an IKEA pegboard for a long time that I can hang on the wall. But the only problem is the only IKEA near me is like over an hour away, so I don't really feel like driving that far to just get a pegboard. So instead, I'm just gonna spend tens of hours printing out my own pegboard because why not? Okay, this is looking better, but these cables are driving me crazy. That looks more uniform. And come to think of it, I would like a phone stand as well because I always have this thing on my desk. I could find one and print it out, but I'm just going to design it myself. Now, I don't really need my phone when I'm working at my desk, but it's still nice for it to have a dedicated spot. That way it's not just laying out and about and, making things look messy. But now it's time to add the last upgrade to my desk, and hopefully it's worth it because it's not something I typically do. Yeah, so I bought some dirt cheap lights off Amazon, but I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. My desk still has a ways to go to be truly optimized, but this is already a huge improvement from where I started. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments, and if you're interested in picking up your own FlexiSpot desk, I'll have a link down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.